guys, it's Monica from Moreish Cakes. A very quick little video for you today on how to make these really cute little pumpkins. And they're awesome for Halloween, or you could use them for Thanksgiving, cute to decorate the plates with. Great for little cupcake toppers, or even just to use for embellishments on the side of cakes. These are so quick and easy to make. I thought I'll show you how to do them today. You can pick out fondant of your choice. I just happen to have some here that's orange today, so I thought we'll do a little orange one. Pick a size ball or a size pumpkin that you want to make. I think the largest I've made of these is probably around about this big. I think a couple of years ago we did them on the bake-off as well as part of one of the challenges. So roll it up into a ball with your hands. It's nice and neat and possible as you can. If you have like these little tools here, you can pick them up in most cake decorating stores. Hold it in the palm of your hand, just stab it through. And the beauty of this is that pre-makes a little shape in there for you, and actually is a really good guide for creating the little embellishment on the side of the pumpkin. Most of us have these little tools here. It's called an embosser tool. If you have a look at that little star that I've pushed in before, you can see the guide is already there. So if we say, okay, well, here's one here, I'm just going to hold this and run it down the course of the pumpkin. I'm very gently holding it with the tips of my fingers because I don't want to press my fingers into the fondant, and I don't want to create an indent. And I'm just going to keep on going around until I have it all shaped. So dead set easy. And they create such a cute little effect. Last year I did them in white and gold, and people love them just because there was something different. As you can see, we're still just going all the way around. Probably hear sounds upstairs, it's hubby on the phone. So there we go, we have like the little shape of the pumpkin there. And then from there you can just add in a couple little details. So little stick on the top, just happen to have green here ready to go. This is actually quite cute because you can do like the little stem of the pumpkin and then like the little curl that happens. So we'll do a little stem, very simple. Roll it in your hand like a ball, like so. Roll it out with one sharp end, and the sharp end is the bit that we're going to actually put into the pumpkin. So probably something like that will do. Trim it so it probably just sticks out a little bit. A little bit of sugar glue inside the pumpkin, like so, just so it'll go into place. There we go. And then we see those little curls on the outside. You can create little leaves however you want. I've just done some quick ones using all exactly the same tools here. If you roll this out like a little skinny worm, skinnier the better. I tend to like doing it on my hands because I find at the moment it's raining in Sydney and everything's like super sticky. There we go, that'll do. Find something that you can roll it on. Is that rounded? Sort of. What do we got here? Yeah, that'll do. All right. Just wrap it around, even a pencil, whatever you find that's handy. Bamboo skewer is perfect. You don't have to go out and buy specialty tools. If you just roll this around, and if you have time, leave it there for about a minute or two. Just needs a little bit of time to firm up. I'm going to put a little bit of sugar glue here on the side because I'm going to attach it. Because this one will be a little bit longer. Cheating now, we're just going to, as you can see, it's come straight off in that little round shape. And you can attach it, and it looks like those little curls that are on the top. And how cute is that? Super quick, really cute for cupcakes. It's all fondant, people can eat them instead of doing gum paste, so they're so hard. This year I've done them in black, just for something really cute and edgy. But these are so dead set simple, and you'll love them on your cupcakes. Too cute. Thanks guys for watching. See you later.